Okay, so first, my yellow Yorkies and green goats, who will be doing the same thing today here in the middle. So the first thing you're going to do is get one stack of these colored cards here. Now, it says which sentence is correct, so you have to find which one is using the possessive noun correctly. Is it A, the girl's balloons are colorful, or B, the girl's balloons are colorful? So the girl is owning the balloon, so we do need an apostrophe S. So for number 14, if you look here, there's numbers. For number 14, you would need to put B. All right, the second thing you're going to do is use these little spinners here. So get your own spinner. You can share with a friend at your table if there's not enough. You got to make sure they're in order. So spinner number 1 is the turkey, 2 is the boy pilgrim, and 3 is the girl pilgrim. You're just going to pick a noun here. So the pilgrims, for example. So let's write here. We're going to be making up sentences. So I'm going to use these dotted lines to make sure I'm writing real nice and neat. So the pilgrims is going to be my noun or my subject of the sentence. All right, I'm trying to be fast, so mine's a little messier. Then, Lord, my camera's messing up, y'all. Okay. I'm on the struggle bus. Okay, here we are. Back to it. The pilgrims, and then the middle one is going to be your verb. So let's put 8. So the pilgrims, 8. And then you go to the very last spinner, and let's put, this would be silly, let's put the spiders. So these sentences are supposed to be kind of silly, so have fun with it. Just try to make sure it makes sense. So the spiders. And I'm writing that messy because I don't have time. I'm trying to be quick. All right, and then at the top here, it says you need to make sure you have a capital letter. We have a capital letter. Do we have an ending mark? Nope. Let's put a period at the end. All right, so do that here, 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 and here. And then the last thing you're going to do is this there sheet. Remember, you build it by taking these and putting them here. Then you're going to write the word there in the middle. I'll do that real quick, There. Then you're going to build the sentence. So you'll cut these out and put them here. So is capital, and there's a question mark. And then you're going to write the sentence here and then draw a picture here. Now, for my red raccoons, you will be cutting out these sentences, cut out this whole piece, and putting them in order of what happened in the story. Then, on this sheet, you're going to make the singular noun possessive by adding an apostrophe before the S. So, for example, who is Miss Russell? We have Miss Russell has a pencil, so they put Miss Russell's apostrophe S pencil. So here we have Mr. G, so you put Mr. G. And then this one says truck.
Good morning.
Good morning. Truck. But I need an apostrophe S because it's possessive. And then lastly, you're going to do a syllable sort where you cut out these pictures and you put them in the correct spot depending on how many syllables it has.